Linyi Changtai Construction Machinery Company Limited is a professional wheel loader manufacturer in North China for decades. Our leading products include small-sized construction machinery series, excavator series, and related working equipment. Develop, design, and produce with rich technical power, advanced equipment, and strong quality. We have got ISO 9001 certification, and all our products have been certified by CE and obtained the certificate. With high quality and excellent service, Shu Gong products are distributed to all regions nationwide and well exported to Australia, Brazil, Middle East, South Africa, West Europe, etc. Welcome to your visit.